Hi there. The cryptocurrency market is a very fascinating market. And I'm saying so because there are people who are making money. And in fact, a good number of people have made hundreds of millions, tens of millions in the cryptocurrency market. But also, on the other hand, we have people who have incurred huge losses through partaking in the cryptocurrency market. That's why I'm making this video to share with you what you could possibly do to avoid cryptocurrency losses. And these, by the way, are applicable across different assets out there. Whether it is cryptocurrency, stock market, forex, and so forth, you could apply these lessons across different digital assets out there. But specific for cryptocurrency, what could you possibly do to avoid losses while investing in or even trading in cryptocurrencies? You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. And by the way, if you're new here, remember to subscribe. Join the family for you to be getting awesome regular updates which are aimed at informing you on how you could multiply your money. Having said that, these are the 3 key pointers which you need to always remember for you to be able to stand a chance at making money in the cryptocurrency space. Rule number 1 is that invest for the long term. Right? Invest for the long term. And I'm saying so because the kind of investing for the short term or even active trading in the cryptocurrency space doesn't really yield much. And I'm saying so because we all appreciate, yes, the cryptocurrency market is quite volatile, right? Which is a good thing because it means people are making money through that volatility. That intense fluctuation of prices is what actually makes people to make money. But also, over time, there's something called price correction. Despite the different price actions out there, whether a positive price action or even a negative price action, over time, the market price of any given asset out there, cryptocurrency not being an exception, is always corrected towards its intrinsic value. In real sense, its true value. So, what you see in the market doesn't always mean that's the true value of any cryptocurrency out there. So, for you to be able to truly benefit for the long term, and more so if you have invested in the correct cryptocurrencies out there, you having been able to choose the right assets, then over long-term investing, you're going to be able to make good amounts of money because the price of different cryptocurrencies is going to increase as it moves towards its different intrinsic values out there. So invest for the long term for you to stand a chance at making money in the cryptocurrency market, right? And then a second tip, which is also very important, is that given cryptocurrency space is backed by interesting technology called blockchain, it's going to mean we're going to have very many different kind of assets spanning from this base technology. So for you to stand a chance at making good amount of money, get in at whichever form of variation of this technology early. And I'm saying so because over the past 2 years, for example, we've seen a spin-off of the cryptocurrency called the NFT, non-fungible tokens, right? It came with a craze, which actually was very well informed because NFTs essentially assist convert to digital form any physical assets out there or even digital unique assets in a way that this particular asset has exclusive ownership and also its kind of formulation can be attenuated. So in case in future we have any different formulation of blockchain technology which anchors cryptocurrency, and we have spin-off for different assets out there, get in early. And I'm saying so because this is a very lucrative way of you getting the cryptocurrency space without really sweating much. And of course, by the time people catch up with the craze, you're going to be deep in profiting. Because by the time people catch up with the craze, it's going to mean this kind of asset is going to have high holding, it's going to have high volatility. In essence, you being able to make good amount of money because of this volatility, right? And then the last tip I want to share with you is that understand knowledge is power. Understand knowledge is power. And I'm saying so because most of the times, regardless of talking about which market, we have a high constituent of noise traders. In case you become an informed trader, kind of trader who trades because your moves are based by something very fundamental, your moves are informed by a very well calculated position, it's going to mean that you're going to stand out from the most of the noise traders out there, and in essence, going to be able to make good amounts of money. So be an informed trader. Go out there, for example, understand why different white papers or different cryptocurrencies out there say, what kind of trading stake for different cryptocurrencies out there say, right? Understand how to do technical analysis. understand how to do fundamental analysis, and you might just be well in business because you're gonna have kind of knowledge which sets you apart from the competition. And by the way, you being able to master how to, for example, to do technical analysis is gonna take some time, but you being able to do technical analysis is gonna assist you be able to gauge different market positions before you get into any particular trade, before you put your money on investing in any particular cryptocurrency. And this technical analysis is gonna also be able to assist you consolidate your position because you're gonna clearly know based on a market signal when the market is about to have a very crazy bullish reversal, or even when a market is gonna be able to have a crazy bearish reversal, which is gonna herald a market crash. And you're gonna be able to take a position which safeguards your interest. Beyond that, you being able to do fundamental analysis. In essence, you being able to analyze news is gonna assist you also be able to safeguard and protect your position in the market. Those are the 3 key pointers I wanted to share with you today, which are gonna assist you be able to become a very prolific cryptocurrency investor or cryptocurrency trader. Is there any other tip which I've forgotten? If there's any, drop a comment down below in the comment section, right? Is there any other tip out there, for example, which you have used, which you might be thinking I have forgotten beyond these 3 I've shared? Drop your comment down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing them. And by the way, as I look to conclude this video, guys, what do you think about the performance of the cryptocurrency market this year? I know this year has been quite a tricky year for the cryptocurrency market, mostly because we've had a prolonged bearish run in the market, right? People out there have been complaining because prices have been tumbling since the onset of the new year. People wanted the prices to go high, but the prices have been dropping throughout. This has actually put most people out there in a jeopardy. You know, the kind of position which they didn't want to be in, but they have found themselves in this position, right? Kind of tricky positions. What do you think about the cryptocurrency market? How has it performed this year? Of course, we all understand prices have really tumbled hard, but investors out here are actually betting on the end of the year to be much better. To give you an example, we've seen, for example, the price of Bitcoin go down from 65K November last year to it actually fluctuating from somewhere between 20 to 25K a large chunk of this year. What do you think, for example, is going to be the price of a favorite cryptocurrency come the end of the year, right? What do you think is going to be the market position of that cryptocurrency come the end of the year? Drop your comment down below. Let's continue discussing and engaging there. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos on money matters next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.